Welcome to the Singularity Survival Guide, a journey into the uncharted territories of our future. In this extraordinary age, we stand on the precipice of an unparalleled transformation, the invention of artificial intelligence. This journey that we're embarking on isn't just a YouTube miniseries, it's an intellectual odyssey designed to help you navigate the complex and exhilarating future that lies ahead. In the coming episodes, we'll delve deep into the core aspects of an AI-driven world. We'll explore contrasting benevolent and malevolent aspects of artificial superintelligence, painting a vivid picture of utopian possibilities and dystopian nightmares. We'll delve into the revolutionary world of AI economics. Will it usher in an era of post-labor hyperabundance, or lead us into a job-pocalypse? We'll confront the possibilities of longevity escape velocity as we grapple with the ramifications of extended human lifespans that would result from advances in AI medical technology. We'll illustrate the pivotal role that AI plays in shaping sustainable energy hyperabundance as we explore ways in which it would lead to cheaper solar production, material science advancements, and even scalable fusion power. We'll ponder the practical and philosophical consequences of merging human brains with machine intelligence through brain-computer interfaces. We'll unravel the mystery of Moore's law, quantum computing, and game theory in order to offer concrete and tangible timelines for when exactly we can expect this technological leap to occur. And finally, in our last episode, we'll wrap up this incredible journey by weaving together the threads we explored, contemplating the profoundly strange and beautiful future that lies before us, and what our role as humans will be in it. By the time this series concludes, you'll have not only comprehended the immense power of AI, but will have gained a profound understanding of the changes that it will inevitably bring. Not only will you grasp the profundity of our situation, but most importantly, you'll possess a roadmap guiding you toward a future worth looking forward to. But remember, this is not just another YouTube miniseries. This is a path to wisdom, a preparation for the extraordinary. This might be the most critical journey you have ever embarked upon, an expedition that you'll want to stick around for until the very end. I am thrilled to accompany you on this journey into the uncharted territory of the thrilling and sometimes terrifying future that lies ahead of us. Please take a moment right now to subscribe to the Singularity Survival Guide, and then leave a comment below in this video with the word subscribe. That way I can welcome each one of you personally to this community. I look forward to experiencing the future together, where the boundaries and possibilities are constantly expanding and where our collective understanding is ever evolving. Welcome to the Singularity Survival Guide. I am your host, Ray Campbell, and I look forward to seeing you in the future.